In the realm of wood and wonders, where precision meets passion, there's a craftsman whose name echoes through the lush landscapes of Hampshire. Meet Andris, not just a carpenter, not just a joiner, but a creator of dreams and keeper of time. With Andris, quality isn't just a standard, it's an obsession. From the grandest of gazebos to the tiniest of timber toys, every project is a masterpiece, waiting to find its place in your heart and home. Each piece of wood tells a story, and I'm here to make sure it's a bestseller. Whether you're dreaming of a custom bookshelf or a whole room renovation, I promise, quality will be the cornerstone of your project. Imagine getting the best without breaking the bank. That's the Andris guarantee. With transparent pricing and smart solutions, your budget is always respected, ensuring you get unparalleled value with every penny spent. It's not about spending more, it's about spending smart. Let's create something beautiful that respects your budget and exceeds your expectations. In a world where time is as precious as your dreams, Andris stands as a paragon of punctuality. Your project, delivered on time, every time, because your waiting should be for anticipation, not frustration. When I say I'll be there, I'll be there. And when I say it'll be done, it'll be done. Your time is valuable, and I respect that with every cut, carve, and construction. So if you're in Hampshire and dreaming of bespoke carpentry or joinery that speaks volumes of quality, affordability, and reliability, your search ends here. Pick up the phone and speak to me, Andris. Let's make your space something spectacular, a place where every corner tells a story, where every piece is a testament to craftsmanship and care.